Alright, hello everybody and welcome in again. David here with CryptoTutorials.org, and today I'm excited. We're starting a new project. We are going to go over the 10 most exciting and interesting tokens that came out for the month of June. So I like to keep my eye on it. There's well over 1,000 new tokens that come out every month. It's amazing, the volume, and I like to keep an eye on a lot of them and see which projects I think are interesting, which ones might be worth an investment of a little bit of money, which ones I think came up with a novel and unique way to use the blockchain, which ones just did some cool marketing and I like their design of things. So I think all of those things are important when releasing a new token, and I like to keep an eye on all of them. So I'm going to go over each token. This is going to be a video right now on what the token is, what it's about, and a little bit of background on it. I'm also going to do a separate video for each token that will explain to you how to purchase it if you want to purchase it. So keep an eye out. I'll put a little link up in the top corner if you want to jump on over to the purchasing video for this. But I'm going to make over each of these 10, and I'm really excited to share them with you. All right, so do me a favor, click on the like button down below, hammer the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you think this is a cool project and you think it's worth sharing with other people, and let's get started. Today we're going to talk about the Honor token. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Well, before I teach you all about this new token, I do want to let you know that we still have our $97 Airdrop Masterclass going for free right now. Not sure how much longer we're going to keep this up, but if you are interested in picking up free crypto, and I don't mean junk scam tokens, I mean top quality name brand tokens, things like Blockto and Munerium, things that the airdrops have been really, really valuable for. Take this class. I'm going to teach you how to pick out the good ones, how to apply for the good airdrops, and how to successfully get some real coins that actually are going to hold some value. So getmyfreecrypto.com. I have the link down below, or you can just type it into your browser, getmyfreecrypto.com. It's going to take you straight there. Just let me know where you want the course link sent, and I will send it right over for you to take the class. So this is Honor token. As you can see right now, it's selling for just a little bit under 20 cents a token. No market cap. About $240,000 traded in the last 24 hours, and it's a Polygon token. So it's another one on the Matic network, and actually I'll explain to you, it's another multi-network one as we go on to this. I'll explain it, but Honor token specifically is on the Polygon network. We're going to scroll down here and take a little bit look at how the token's been doing. As you can see, it's been out, not too long. It's been out since the 24th, so a little over a week actually right now. And it did what a usual token does. Shot up, came down, leveled out, and is starting to climb back up. So it went all the way up to, I think, close to $1, a little over $1 a token, and then it's been down as low as 10 cents a token. So bit of a ride, but that is pretty normal for new tokens coming out like this. What is the Honor token, though? Well, the Honor token is a token that you use on FarmHero. And FarmHero is a staking, pooling, NFT gaming site. It's one of those that combines all those different features to try to create the best of all the different worlds by working together. FarmHero is a NFT gaming, staking, pooling site. Supposed to combine the best of all of those to try to give you maximum returns and get people to lock their coins up for a long time, which is what these different platforms really want. The DeFi platforms want you locking your coins up for a while for them. So as you can see, you can go in the NFT world, and you can buy Genesis NFTs or loot boxes. The Genesis NFTs each have different properties: 1,200% APR, annual percent rate. $2,200 in $2,300 in Matic almost. So I guess Matic is a little over $1 a token, but pretty close to that. This one is $1,000 1,000 Matics for this NFT, and it gives you 1,100% APR. And I don't know, I usually see APY, not APR, so that's an interesting one. I want to evaluate what they mean by annual percentage rate. Usually it's yield. And then on down, as you spend less, here's a $300 one that's giving you 9. Here's this one doesn't even have a price on it. And on down and on down. All right, so variety of different NFTs that you use in the games. Then you've got their farming and yield farming sections, where you can lock up tokens in different pairings, and it looks like they're giving out some pretty high returns on some of the yields from these. So the quick swap, this one, it looks like it's getting almost a 5,000% return. So pretty amazing if you're actually able to get these. I'm excited. I'm going to test it out. So click on the link if you want to look at how to buy it. And then from there, I'll also click a link through, because I'm going to try to put it into some of these staking pools and see what happens and learn about them. That's the name of the game for me. And then on down, you've got some games. There's an auction game, there's a FOMO game, a roll game. FOMO game I thought was one of the more interesting ones. This one, basically what happens is you buy honor tokens and you swap them into keys. And then the keys get used in the games. So in this one, it's got a little how to play here, but every time you deposit a key, it adds additional time onto this timer. Whoever has the very last key deposited before it expires gets a percentage of this. And then every time a key gets added back in, it gets split between all these different people who have already put keys in. So as more and more keys get added in, being early on, being an early buyer of keys in these pools can become very valuable. But when the pool finally runs out, that's when everybody kind of says okay and heads on out, and somebody gets to win some of the money out of it. The other games, there's a rolling game, an auction game. I don't fully understand the auction game. The math on this one doesn't seem to make sense. So it's 11 honor to bid and get $1.23, and an honor is about 20 cents. So you're spending $2.20 to get $1.23. I'm not sure I get what this is or how it works, but once I get some honor tokens and I can swap them for some keys, I'll play around and I'll see if I can figure it out and explain it to you guys better. All right. As far as the roadmap goes overall, the plan here is just to help create yield farms through PancakeSwap and actually through Binance too. I'm going to explain another token in just a minute that they have, which runs a very similar thing on the Binance network. They have been significantly audited by CertiK. There are a few security concerns in the contract. Pretty normal when a CertiK project gets audited, but it's good that they're going so high level. If you haven't seen these guys, they do a pretty amazing overview of different ones. So an 87 for a security score is a very good security score. And then you've got, a couple major findings, a couple medium findings, a couple minor ones. And you can see they've even resolved the major fish ones already. And they're working on resolving the rest of these. So it's great because it means that somebody's gone through and looked at their code and they've found all the places they might have missed or mistakes they might have made, and now they can go back and fix them. And it looks like they're doing that, which is very, very encouraging for it. So another one of these, like I said, that combines a few different elements of blockchain to help create farms and staking and a place to store your tokens. I'll let you guys know how that whole process goes. But do me a favor, click on the like, click on the subscribe, let YouTube know that you enjoy learning about new tokens like this, and I will make sure to keep sharing new tokens with you. Aloha.